the module of the black hole, and this is the light bending around the black hole. Our science project is about crater size, and our team name is called the Chicxalots, the crater that killed the dinosaurs.
But as it moves up, the force that was pulling it down, okay, is still moving, pulling it down. And that's the same principle that a bicycle stays up.
We're just doing about maglev trains, and we're going to be explaining how to different objects when placed on the train affect the speed of it. A maglev train is a train that floats on another magnet, so if this is plus, this have to be plus too in order for it to repel and gain propulsion, and then it attracts.